Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video we are going to see how to fix DNS server isn't responding by the very simplest way. So let's go and solve this problem by the very simplest way. First of all, just go to the start and type control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, just find network and sharing center. Click on it. Then just click on the change adapter setting at here. Just click on change adapter settings. Then your all Wi-Fi, Ethernet or local area connection are shown on your network connections. So I am using Ethernet, so I just double click on Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, then double click on Wi-Fi. Then double click on it, then go to the properties. In properties, just click on the Internet Protocol version 4 and click on the properties. In properties, just click on the use the following DNS server addresses. Click on it and just type following DNS. These DNS are from the Google, so don't worry about this DNS. 8 8 8 8 8 8 4 4. These DNS are of the Google DNS. So just click on the OK. Then close it. Then close it. Then we just check our internet is working or not. So just type Google and hit enter. So our internet is working fine. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.